You know, wood floors are so popular nowadays, and people stop me even in the grocery store and ask me how to clean them. And the first thing I would say is do it the safe, natural way. And the way I do it at home is with tea. Now, any black tea at all will be fine, but you want to brew a really, really strong pot of tea. Then take out a cup for yourself, sit down, have a cup of tea, wait till that tea comes to room temperature. Then you'll wring your mop out in it. Now, I'm using a microfiber mop, but you can use any mop that you want. And all you're gonna do is just put it down on the floor and start mopping. The tannic acid is so good for the floors. It leaves no residue on it. And the real pure shine of your floor is going to show through. And don't worry, the tea won't stain, I guarantee you. So any black tea that you want, wash your floors with that. It's safe and it's natural. For additional information, check out my website at queenofclean.com. Follow me on Facebook and Twitter, and thanks for talking dirty with the Queen of Clean.